Welcome! Eid al-Fitr is coming soon. May Allah flood your life with happiness. And for this occasion we're making a Eid tray full of petit fours and Qurabiya. Today we will crochet the Qurabiya. We did the and petit fours in the previous videos. So if you want to see how they're done, take a look at the videos. Now let's get started with the Qurabiya. We begin with the starting chain. Three chain stitches and join them to form a ring. Now chain 1 and start the second row, and we'll do 2 stitches in each stitch. So the second round will be 6 single crochets. And join this round. All stitches we'll do are single crochets. The next round we'll also do it the same way as the previous one. Two stitches in each stitch. Two single crochets in each stitch. And join the second round. Now for the next round. We start it with an individual stitch, and then 2 stitches together in the next stitch. So this is the pattern for this round: 1 individual stitch, then 2 stitches in the next stitch. This is the individual stitch, and 2 single crochets in the next stitch. And then join the round. Now we will start forming the puffy Qurabiya shape. So chain up 1 for the new row. And I'll make a decrease at the first 2 stitches. The next stitch will be an individual stitch. And then another individual stitch, and a third one. So it's a decrease at first, then 3 individual stitches, 1 stitch in each stitch. And then a decrease at the next 2 stitches. Then an individual stitch, and another one, and a third individual stitch, then a decrease. 1 stitch, and another one, and a third one, and then a decrease. Then 1 stitch, and join this round. Chain up 1 and start the next round. I'll also start with a decrease at the first 2 stitches. Then 1 individual stitch. And another one, so 2 individual stitches. Then a decrease at the next 2 stitches. And then an individual stitch. And another one. Then a decrease. Then 1 stitch. And another one, then a decrease. One stitch. Another individual stitch. Then join the round. Now chain up one and start the next round. In this round we'll do decreases at each 2 stitches. No individual stitches at all, we'll join each 2 stitches together. A decrease here as well. And another decrease at the next 2 stitches. Before I do the last row and shut it, I'll stuff it with fiber. Now sew the opening shut. Chain 1. And do the first decrease. And another decrease here as well. This is the last stitch and we sew the opening shut. Now it's shut and we pull it a bit. I'm weaving the extra yarn into my work like so. Usually the Qurabiya is a little bit pushed inside from the center. So we'll do this to put the pistachio in it. For this I'll use a white thread. Insert it from the bottom and pull it a bit tight. Then go into the same spot again. I'll only do 2 stitches or so to pull the center inside a little bit like so. And then weave in the thread. As we see now, the center is pushed inside. Now I'll do the pistachio that'll be put here. We'll start with 3 chains, then join them to form a ring. So we did 3 chain stitches and joined them. Then I'll use a sewing needle to sew these ends. Cut off the extra strands. And then sew the pistachio in the center. Sew it a couple more times. We sewed it and it looks good. Now we finished the Qurabiya. Thank you.